Hi everyone, and welcome back to The Wolf Among Us. This is Cali, and thanks for watching. So we'll get right back into it. Where we last left off, there was some chick who was getting the shit beat out of her by the woodsman, and they were both fables, and they both lived. So all is good in Fabletown, I think. Or is it? We shall find out.
Luxury apartments. Wish they wouldn't advertise that.
We did miss the introduction, which is just like a bunch of music, and I think they show some of the credits. But other than that, not a whole lot. I had to cut it short, so that's why we missed those. And unfortunately, I can't go back and play them for you. But all the more reason to.
There's no walking on the grass, no lights orders.
Yeah, I would definitely recommend buying this game. It's a great
I'll
time.
be sure to send her an apology.
Every playthrough is different based on what choices you make, so
Hello,
it's great.
Big B.
Sorry, I'm interrupting.
I wasn't expecting anyone. I know this looks a little odd, but there's an explanation, I swear. Look, if you don't have anything to say, I'm just gonna... Damn it, I'm late.
Oh, beauty.
Please, Big B. Promise me you won't tell Beast you saw me.
I'm not promising shit.
He worries too much as it is, and it would just make my life a lot easier. Just, please.
I'm not promising
Promise me?
anything. Just
I
gonna
don't have
not
time to go
respond.
into it right now. I'll explain it all to you later. I will, but I have to go.
Sure you will. Sure you will.
It's not what you
Only if you
might
get
be
caught,
thinking.
right? Okay, so that was Beauty. Obviously, something going on with her and Beast. Being the good guy, I can't really lie to Beast, so if I run into him, I have to tell him. Kind of makes me an asshole, but it's the way I'm going. Let's go touch the suit of armor. Because why is there a suit of armor?
Hey, you wink?
Apparently not.
Probably for the best.
So, can I look now? I want to look at the little check-in thing. Damn. Guess not.
Flycatcher needs to dust this guy.
Also, I am missing one of the fables. There's one that
Been a while since I got any mail.
I didn't see in my last playthrough. I think it's because of the choices I made.
7th day in a row.
But, I guess we'll have to see. Let's leave my name off of there. Pretty sure it's on the ground there, but... do.
Bigby, hey, wait up. Have you seen my wife?
Just the guy I wanted
Have you
to
seen
talk to.
Beauty?
Beast.
Yeah, I did.
What? When? Just now. You saw her just now.
She told me not to tell you.
She did?
Yeah, I thought it was weird too.
Thanks, Bigby.
No prob.
Damn it. Something's going on.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. Better get to the bottom of it. I'm the detective. I'll get to the bottom of it. Her bottom. Good one. Okay. So now we're back home. I guess back home doesn't really make sense since we haven't been here yet, but we're home.
Damn, should have cracked a window.
And it's hot. And now I can play? No. He's gotta wash his face first. Of course. Okay. So.
What a night.
What a night. Alrighty. Let's check the freezer.
Damn it.
Let's check the fridge.
Why do I even own this? Should have got a smaller one.
It's got all of his cigarettes in there. His Huff and Puff cigarettes.
Bluebeard's file. Never trusted this guy.
Bluebeard.
Don't even remember ordering that.
Ooh, that's
Probably
not
a bad
usually
sign.
thing. I've had nights like that. Remember, kids, don't do drugs.
Should help.
There you go. Why am I looking at
At
it?
least this still works.
Cool. Alright. There's a fat pig here.
Oh, not again.
Not again. Is there anything else in here? Am I missing something? I don't think so. Alright. Call
Hey, Colin. Get up.
Fine, I'll push you then. Or tap you.
Oh, hey, Big B.
Hi, piggy.
I'm in your chair, huh?
Yeah, a little bit.
I've only got the one. So yeah.
Piggy, piggy, piggy. He's a big boy.
Got a smoke?
Nope. Maybe. Yeah. I got a smoke for you. So funny. The pig smokes.
Thanks. Couple thousand more of these, we'll be even on that house you owe me.
This has gotta stop. You can't keep sneaking off the farm like this.
The fresh air and sunshine pitch they sell you on is bullshit. I didn't escape out of the homelands to end up in some prison, okay? Don't send me back there, Big B. You don't know what it's like, okay? You haven't been there. Exactly. You know I'm right. That for me?
Nope.
The house didn't blow itself down, Bigby. That's all I'm saying. Do with that what you will. Now, I'm not saying it's reason enough for me to have definitely been offered a drink, but, it would have helped ease some of the pain you once caused me, yes? It also would have shown everyone how different
I
you
like
are
the voice
now.
acting they have in these two.
If that was all you were saying, I'd be able to get some rest.
I take it all back. This is why everyone hates you. It probably also has something to do with how engaging you are in conversation. But, no, hate's the wrong word. They fear you more than anything. You ate a lot of people back in your day.
Yeah,
I thought we were all supposed to have a fresh start here. I can't change the past.
Well, you can't change people's memories either. Look, I'm not saying it's fair.
You're not people,
but
you're
it's
a
real.
pig.
People are scared of you. I mean, look at your hands.
They're nice hands. What about them?
Who'd you get in a fight with? A fable, right? I'm sure you're not going around punching Mondays. Okay, sure. Silent treatment. I can do the same.
Good. Do it. Why will Colin remember that? Why is that a thing that he'll remember?
You think my
Just
job
why?
is easy? You try keeping a bunch of fables from killing each other. How do you think this all works?
I don't know. How?
By being big and being bad.
By being big and being bad. Don't say that shit in front of people. It's embarrassing.
Or is it?
That's the attitude that gets you in trouble. I'm sure you were shitty to everyone you came across tonight.
Not everyone.
Name one.
Toad.
Mr. Toad. Okay. How are his kids doing?
He was yelling at him.
Sounds about right. Life is easier with friends, Bigby. And we live a long fucking time.
They swear all the time in this.
I know you like this whole lone wolf thing you got going for yourself. But I've seen the
Kind
way
of funny
you look
that
at
the
Snow,
pig
okay?
is thrown
You're
down
not
at
fooling me.
Pops.
Will you shut up?
Well, maybe if my throat wasn't so parched, I wouldn't have to keep talking.
Makes sense.
Wait, that doesn't make
Just give
sense.
me a drink, please.
Colin, enough already. I haven't slept in 2 days. I went out a second-story window, and I want to get in 2 seconds of shut-eye before I... Look, if I give you this, will you let me sleep?
Yeah, all right. Probably.
Here you go, buddy.
Thanks, Bigby.
That's disgusting. Better wash that. Alright, well, I am out of time. I think... I think we have to see this part before it goes to another cut. Oh, no. Nope, this is a good place to stop. Alright, well, thank you for watching. Once again, this is Cali, and, yeah, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I will see you in the next part. Thanks. Bye!